Whenever I try to speak Mizo, the English come out from my mouth. I call it BBLUNT. Hello, my family. Welcome back. It's me, your family members, Flo Baite. And as you can see in our title, we are going to change our color. This color means our hair color. I mean the hair color one.
Oh no.
And we have this brown hair right now, and we got here a bleaching part here. Here. This is it, our hair color right now, and we are going to change this hair hair color into honey blonde from the BBLUNT. Okay, let's see I let you see the package of the BBLUNT. I directly ordered from their website. Wait, don't fall down. Yeah, here it is. BBLUNT. I call it BBLUNT. I don't know how you pronounce it, but for me it's a BBLUNT. And this is it, honey light golden brown, which is 5.32. We're going to try this package. I ordered 2 packets as my hair is quite long. And here there is a pre-one, Nivea. I call it Nivea. I don't know how you pronounce it. For me it's a Nivea. And we are going to mix these two and color it, and let's see how the colors is pigmented or no to our hair. Let's mix up and apply it. Here we got a bowl, long back bowl. Let's start cutting. Yeah, let me show it the inside part. Okay. Oh baby, when talk like that. Yeah, they don't have the brush part.
Oh no.
Here, this 3. We are going to mix this 3 developer and what is this? Colorate, and what is this? Shine tonic. These 3 products in one bowl. And what is there? Anything else? They got what is a gloves, and then nothing else. I thought they'll add some brush, so I didn't brought. I didn't take brush, so I have to take it again. See you. Ding. Hello guys, I'm back. Your sister, your mother, your auntie, your sister-in-laws is back with the new brush. Yay! Okay, this is from street. The last, which I use one, and then first of all, let me show my hair. Okay, this is our hair. Yeah, back side. Let me show you the back side. Yeah, here. This is our hair. See, look it carefully, because when we color it, when the color is changed. Oh, this is my hair color. Okay, right now. Okay, let's start mixing. Ching. Let me turn off the camera first, and then after mixing I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Yo, it's going to be a tasty one.
Oh
Looks
no.
yummy, yeah. Hello, your auntie, your mother-in-law, your sister, your grandma is back with a vanilla chocolate of hair color. Okay, now let's apply it. Let's separate our hair with How many section? I don't know. Okay, let me tie up the first. ऊपर वाला tie मत करेगा. Whenever you try to apply whenever you try to apply a hair color at home, make sure your hair is clean enough, because clean hair will give a pigmentation. Okay. Tie it up here. And yeah, you guys asked me to do my skincare and my hair care routine. Of course, we are going to do one by one today. We are going to color our hair. After that, we are going to do next by next on my hair. Okay, let's start applying. This is our hair. Let me start from the back side. I never go to a salon to apply or for a treatment. I already did at home. Everything, coloring, spa or something like that. Everything I did at home. I don't think it would be pigmented because my hair is too blacky. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera, and after applying all, I'll be back. Okay. See you, my sister, brother. Okay, we are done with applying. See, look it. Here we got dark black. Hey, BBLUNT people, if you turn my hair black, you guys gonna eat my ass seriously. Okay, BBLUNT. Okay, let's check it. I thought of speaking in Mizo, but whenever I try to speak Mizo, the English come out from my mouth as if I'm good at speaking English.
Oh no!
Okay, 1 step, 2 step is done, and 4 step also done. Then leave it for 45 minutes for the set and white deep burgundy.
What?
What do they mean like in this part here? Okay, let's wait for 1 hour. Let's see. But I don't want, if the color is turning black, I'm not gonna like it. Okay, anyway, let's wait it. Okay, and yeah, after washing I'll be back. See you. Yes, we are back again after washing. Your auntie, your sister-in-law, your mother, your grandfather is back. Okay, let's review our hair. Bam, ba-da. Ta-da, ta-da-da-da. This is it, guys. The color is not so pigmented for me. I don't know for you guys, but it's not that much pigmented, but I love it. It's not that much pigmented, but I love it because it gives me extra shines and extra smooth. So I can't stop touching my hair. And yeah, masanuya mo abang color gula po dem di kaleng at sakatin. And this is it. Hita to a color neutral. If you love it, please comment down below and share your thought. This is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.